This is a 2009 Dodge Avenger, and I'm going to show you today how easy it is to change out the windshield wiper blades. These things are terrible. Let me show you one of them. Flip them up. You can flip them up like this. We'll go ahead and flip up the other one. Just grab a hold of it in the center and pull it straight up. That's all you got to do. Lift them up. I'm gonna show you how bad these are. I don't know if this camera's gonna focus in on it well, but here we go. Oh, these things are terrible. I mean, it's got like hardly no blade left on it. And you try driving down the interstate in a monsoon of rain, these things don't work worth a flip. They flip, but they don't work worth a flip, if you know what I'm saying. Of course, the first thing you want to do is you want to go get you some wiper blades. I got mine at Walmart. They have a book in the automotive section. You can flip through your year, model of car, and it'll tell you which code right here to look up to get your wiper blades. Mine happened to be H24 and H21 because the driver's side blade is a little bit longer than the passenger side blade. So I had to get two different sizes. And I got these Rain X Expert Fit. And that was the type of wiper it was on the car, was a Rain X wiper, so I don't have to change any of these parts. It should just go on pretty smoothly. Okay, so what I did is I took out the H21 first. Alright, the 21 is how many inches the wiper is. The passenger side is 21 inches and the driver's side is 24 inches. So I've got my wiper out of the package. And this is what it looks like on top. You have a little clip right here that you pull up, like so. Just leave that up, and you also, when you're done, you want to take this plastic sheeting off that covers the blade. Here's your blade, and here's the plastic sheeting that's on there. We're going to go over here to the passenger side wiper, and we're going to unclip it. Alright, see what I did here? You have to put your finger up under this edge and pull up. You see it good?
Mm-hmm. My hand's hurting.
Alright, you pull it up. Alright, now let me see this. Alright, what we have here is like a J-hook. The part that goes to your car has a little J-hook in there, and if you look in here, what we're going to do is we're going to slide this wiper blade down this way to get it off that J-hook. Just like that.
Make sure everybody do the same time my dad do.
And it comes right off. And here's your old blade. Let's look how terrible this blade is.
Ew.
That is awful.
Yes, it
compared
is.
to the new blade.
That's what new. That's what.
This is the old one. And there's the new one. Alright, so we're going to take the new one.
Put the hole right here up top here.
And
hole.
We're going to line the J-hook up with the inside right here. You want to make sure, hold on, let me see. You want to make sure this part right here is to your right. Okay. We're going to take this wiper blade and we're going to make sure this piece right here, we're going to lift this piece up just a little bit. See how it lifts up? That way we can stick that inside of our J-hook. Alright, okay. There you go. I got it raised up a little bit, got it underneath my J-hook, and then all I should have to do is just wiggle it back, like so. Okay, now I have it down, I have it seated. Now I got to pull it to my left until I hear it click. There's my click, it's locked into place. Now I can put my cap back down. There you go, now it's all the way in. Cap down. Windshield wipers on. Plastic sleeve is off. And that's all it is for the left side. Now we'll go over to the right side and we'll do it. Okay, now we're on the driver's side. Same process. I'm gonna have to open this little clip right here. Try to get a good angle so you can see how I'm doing this. I put my thumbnail up under here. Probably use a little screwdriver or something. If you don't have a strong enough thumbnail, just pull that little clip up to expose your J-hook. There's my J-hook. I'll put my hand up underneath it and I'm gonna wiggle it down until it comes off. There you go. Old blade is off. And the same thing we did on the other side. I'm gonna open our clip. We are also gonna make sure this center piece right here is up a little bit. There you go. Like that. So you can put it on your J-hook. And what we're gonna do, what we're trying to do here is we're trying to slide this J-hook onto this piece that we flipped up right here. I'm gonna tell you, if I could do this while holding the camera, anybody can do this. It's pretty tough while holding the camera. It's really a two-hand job, and I'm doing it with one. Okay, I've got it seated on my J-hook right there, see that? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull straight up on it to lock it all the way onto the J-hook. There we go. It's on the hook. Now I got to pull it till it snaps. All right, that's what we got it in our J-hook, and now we just slide it up until it clicks. There you go, it clicked. Layer down and close our tab. There you go. I'm gonna lift it back up and get this little plastic sleeve off. It just slides right off. And then lay the wiper back down onto the windshield. That's it, folks. That is how you change your wiper blades. Pretty easy. And after you're done, just for quality control and safety purposes, you want to make sure you got them on well. So I'm going to turn on the windshield wipers. I'm going to see how well this works. Worked great. Folks, that's how easy it is. If you like my video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.